Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are making a truly special Yemeni masterpiece, Zurbian Adani. So let's not waste any time and dive straight into this delicious journey. In a pot, heat 1 cup of oil. Once it's hot, add 3 to 4 medium-sized sliced onions. Fry the onions until they turn brown. Once fried, remove them and place them on a kitchen tissues to drain the excess oil. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you won't miss any delicious recipes. Take out 2 tablespoons of oil for later use for rice. Now take half of the fried onions and place them in a blender. Add half tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, and 1 cup of plain yogurt. Blend everything together until it becomes a smooth paste. Take 1 kg of chicken pieces and coat them with the spice paste. Let the marinated chicken rest for at least 15 minutes to absorb all the flavors. In the remaining oil in the pot, add 2 large quartered potatoes. Fry the potatoes for about 2-3 minutes. Then add the marinated chicken to the pot. Mix everything together. Add 3 green chilies or adjust the amount based on your spice preference. Cover the pot and let it cook on low flame for 25 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally so the chicken doesn't stick to the bottom. In a separate pot, take 2 liters of water. Add the reserved 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, 4 cardamoms, half teaspoon of peppercorns, half teaspoon of cloves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 3 bay leaves. Bring it to a boil. Then add 3 cups of pre-soaked rice. Mix well and let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes until the rice is 75% cooked. Strain the excess water. Now take the partially cooked rice and place it on the top of the chicken. For that beautiful color and fragrance, sprinkle a pinch of pre-soaked saffron over the rice. Then top it off with some of the fried onions you set aside earlier. Place a small ball in the center of the pot and add 1 piece of burning charcoal to it. Drizzle some oil on the charcoal to form the beautiful smoky aroma. Cover the pot and cook on low flame for another 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, uncover the pot and remove the bowl with the charcoal. Take a deep breath and enjoy the amazing fragrance of your Yemeni Zurbian Adani, a dish so irresistible you won't be able to stop yourself from going for seconds. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and comment your thoughts below. Happy cooking and see you next time!